Welcome everyone to another video. So in this video today, we'll be talking about how you can start an online coaching business in 2024. There is a lot of things going on right now. Like if people want to start their own business, they have certain kind of expertise and they are passionate about certain things and willing to help someone. And they have no idea, like you probably have no idea, like how to start your own coaching business, how you can start your own online coaching business in 2024. So in this video, I'll go about like how we can start your own coaching business step-by-step formula so we can take on and start implementing it for yourself. So starting an online coaching business can be like a rewarding incubator. It's like allowing you to share your knowledge, you're making impact people's lives. However, it requires you like a carefully planning and execution to ensure your business it thrives in the competitive online landscape because a lot of people during the COVID, they made a transition, being a self-employed to being like a working in a corporate to they transition into like a being online coach. So there is like competition in there. But you can overcome that competition and stand out in order to like a thriving coaching business because everyone have certain unique identity, everyone got certain unique expertise, and this kind of like it makes people apart from from the crowd. And so in going forward, like if you want to go through like your own coaching business, so it's like first thing like you have to focus on defining your coaching niche and target audience. So that is really, really important. Without that, you don't know like who you're targeting, who you want to work with. Because like I said, like there is so many coaches out there, like you need to stand out. So you need to stand out like you specifically in their niche you're expert in. So when someone is looking for find a solution and you are the go-to person in order to help them out like what you're going to work on. So before you're starting an online business is crucial defining your online coaching niche. So identify your target audience. So taking that time to understand what your niche is, the audience will allow you to tailor your coaching services strategies to specific needs. So number one thing is like going forward with like a goal in order to define a coaching need is like a market research. So finding we research like your current trends, demands for your coaching services. The second thing is like a self-reflection. So it's like reflect on your skill set, reflect like who you are as an identity, who you want to be and known for the next 5, 10 years now, and how you want to impact people's life. Number three is like identify the pain points. So what pain points like you are trying to solve with your coaching and consulting services? That is your main thing, like you're solving the problem and people are willing to pay for that. And number four is like defining your unique selling proposition. So it's like how you are determine like what sets you apart from like other coaches in your niche. So what unique approach, expertise, perspective do you offer when willing to like target your audience? For giving an example, like if you are a life coach and you have like some kind of traumatic event, like you have been through, you overcame that on your own, or like a helper with the, like your friends and family members. And how did you do that? Like a lot of people will be interested to know that. But if you're a life coach, you haven't gone to any kind of life events in your life, then you're calling yourself a life coach, then people I can feel that like you don't have the expertise on the particular subject. And this is not someone like he wants to work with you. So you know like your story, you know how we can impact them and be authentic about it and go about that. The next steps is going to be like identify your coaching services and expertise. So you need to know like what kind of coaching services you want to provide or the expertise you want to provide. There's so many tons of out there. You can provide like a different kind of services, different kind of products. You need to find like what aligns with your mission, aligns with your vision, and you're going to enjoy doing or delivering the services. So doing that, like number one is like defining your coaching services. First, determine specific coaching services you will provide. Consider your area of expertise, the problems you can solve, and the goals you can help with like a clients achieve. That will help you like establish a clear and focused coaching offering that appeals to your target audience. And then second will be like assess your expertise. So take the time, assess your expertise with the identify the unique value you bring into the table, reflect on your qualification, certification, education, and things like that. So it's gonna give you like expertise on the certain topic you wanna cover. Number three is like understand your target audience's needs. So it's like I talked about, like our audience's pain points, they need to be come through. So research their challenges, struggles, their aspiration, tailor to your coaching services to address their specific requirements. This will allow you like services more valuable, appealing to your potential clients. And moving forward, number five will be like a consider specialization. So specialize in a specific area of your coaching can make you stand out from like attracting clients looking for the solution to their problem, and it stand out like other coaches and consultants in the specific niche you want to work with. And the that part, like I'm going to cover, which is like a set clear goals and objectives. So that is important. So establish clear goals, like why you want to come out of like the coaching business, you want to thrive in, you want to impact your client's life, you want to do something, you're going to leave a mark into the universe, or like you're doing it for just for sake of money, like whatever your goals is, you need to define it. And whatever the goal is, that gonna determine like how long you can strive. And if you're just only for the money, and you're gonna see a lot of things gonna come along with it, like a short term, you're gonna take the action on the short term process, where in the long run, like you're gonna lose. So having the vision or mission, like what aligns with your mission, vision, and wherever you want to go with your life, and that will help. And you need to ask them kind of question like why the goals and objecting is important, like a goals and gives you like a direction, purpose, like a where you want to go and thrive in your business. So key steps in setting goals and objectives like identifying your business vision. So start by improvising like where you want your coaching business to be in next 5 years, 10 years. What is the ultimate outcome you can aim to achieve? So visualize your long-term goals and aspiration to clear your direction. So it gives you like where you want to go towards in the next 5 years and 10 years. Then you can make it like a process, or like the way you do systemizing the whole process of you running a business. And also like defining a specific goals can break you down in the vision, like in your like a measurable or like a time bound, or is it like examples of vision of impacting 1,000 clients, and set a goal to reach certain numbers of clients within a specific time frame, and that can help determine like where you want to be in. And to like building your online coaching business, most important part is building your own online presence and a brand. So you need to define your brand identity, develop a professional website, and leverage social media channels, and creating a valuable content for your audience so people know you as an authority on the certain topic you talk about and trying to help them out. And building your own online community. So communities can be like really, really thriving. Like I have an online community for my coaches and consultants. It's called Skool Community. If you want to check out, the link will be in description. You can check out like where I help them, coaches and consultants, build their own brand, how to get organic traffic and things like that. So you can do that specifically on your business, how you can help your clients or customers to achieve their goals. So having a community they can ask questions, they get to get together, like, and they can feel like other people are going through the same process as them. So that will help them determine like how they want to go about their goals and achieving. So these kind of steps I would follow in order to building my own coaching business, and I've been doing that last few years, and this is some updated version of it. So if you want to learn more about like how you can grow your own coaching business, or how you can thrive you with your own coaching business in 2024. And if you know more information, you can join my B-School community. That link will be in the description where you can sign up, and I can see you on the side. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in our next episode.